Take him. It's really clay. I don't know what it means. When I was down there, that's where a lot of them were, but most of them were over.
Yesterday they were all, well, 170 of them.
I got 31.
Welcome back. We're back chasing birds again. This time we're hunting a pond that Victor's got permission for. There's been a bunch of geese hanging out here the last couple weeks or so. They've just been piling up from early goose and then regular goose season. There's been guys blasting geese all over, so this thing's been filling up for quite some time. Wasn't able to run an interview this morning because right when it started getting light out, we had a goose come from the heavens, just a single, sucked all the way down into the pond, and we sat and waited till shooting light, and Zach was able to get a shot on her. We got 6 guys this morning. It's Zach, myself, Josh, Dylan, Victor, and Victor's dad ended up joining us. We only got a dozen floaters out and half a dozen full bodies. We had to walk a decent ways, so we didn't feel like carrying a whole bunch, but they've been in here for quite some time now, so they're pretty comfortable. Didn't think we needed a whole lot. Gonna just sit here and wait for more to show up. When I come back,
Shoot him. Yeah, that is one hell of a mohawk. Take him. That last shot.
what are you talking about? We got 2 dogs right here.
Yeah. That was a hell of a walk. I also was like really. That is the workout. Shoot the one in the air. Take him.
Yeah. Well, it's been a rough goal. I think we got 3 geese, 4 geese, something like that. Our height is just not what we wanted it to be, so we're taking the time, instead of just burning a bunch more geese, broke a bunch of deadfalls off, and now we're just gonna put a bunch of grass over the top, kind of like this. So now we're gonna have like a little bunch of cubbies in here that we can just stay up in and try try to get us some top cover because they're coming in and they're looking pretty hard before they commit into something. But some of them just dump right in, but most of them, especially when they're, I'd say the bigger flocks, they just keep circling and circling and circling and see how they like it then.
Cut him.
Yeah.
Ready? Take him. That's what's up.
Well, we made it back to Josh's. We ended up shooting 9 geese and 3 wood ducks. One of the wood ducks was actually a really nice drake. I think Victor's gonna end up getting it mounted, so that'll be a good addition to his wall. He's got a couple bucks up. It wasn't too bad of a hunt. Our hide this morning wasn't exactly what we wanted it to be right away, so we ended up shifting, try to get stuff with some more top cover. We broke off a bunch of deadfalls, put a bunch of grass on it, and then the birds started working a little bit better. And then we just switch the decoys to try to get them to suck a little bit closer to us. But that's how it goes sometimes. You just got to keep moving stuff around until you can get it right. Fortunately, I don't think the majority of the birds that were actually using that pond showed up. The weather kind of switched on us from the last couple of days. It's been pretty cloudy and higher winds, and then today the wind kind of cut out. And we still had a little bit of overcast this morning, but it started getting sunny, and I think they were just sitting in fields longer than they were the previous days. But that's just how it goes sometimes. It was still an absolute blast, and I appreciate Victor for letting us come out there and hunt. Less than 2 weeks, and we'll be leaving for North Dakota. So there's going to be a bunch of videos from North Dakota coming out. The weather out there looks like it's going to be getting pretty cold. I don't know if we'll be hitting frozen ponds at all, but it looks like right now, at night, it's in the mid-30s, so another 2 weeks, who knows what the weather's going to be. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, helps us out greatly. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.